To create tables and enter data in MySQL. So these are three tables which we have to enter in MySQL. So let us first open command prompt. So these are commands from which we are inserting tables. So first table is salespeople table. So here we are creating. So this is command for showing tables. As it show people, then semicolon. After entering this, we get this output. That is tables in UserDB. That is tables. It shows tables first. So this is here we are creating salespeople table, but before that we have to give some startup commands. Startup commands include first show databases. So here we have entered this command show databases. Then use so we are having here all databases that is pre-installed. Now here we are telling that use UserDB1. That means we are selecting UserDB1 from this database section. Now we are selecting database here, which is UserDB1. After that we can start our creation of our table. So this is command for creating table. So create space table space salespeople space snum int sname varchar city varchar com int. So if we look at this table salespeople, first column is of integers, then second column is of characters, third column which is city which is again of characters, and com, this column is again of integers. So here we are writing that is snum int, that is first column int, then sname varchar, that is sname is character. Now city is again character. So 100 is basically it is of string is of length 100. Now city varchar, that means city is of character of length 100. Now com int, that means com is integer. Now here we have created a table, salespeople table. So after selecting or creating table, now we have to enter these values which are 1001. So these are values of columns which we are inserting. So for that we have insert command. So insert into salespeople values 1001. So this is first columns value 1001. Now peel, which is name again. Now London, which is char again, and 12. So this 12 is integer again. So according to this we are also inserting values from 1001 to 1005 completely. Now here we have inserted sname, that is characters name. So Peel, Ceres, Motica, Rifkin, Excel Road, Fran. So these are inserted here. Now again in city column we have inserted this London, St. John's, then again London, then Barcelona, then New York, then London. And in the fourth column we have again inserted this characters actually, sorry, integers. So which are point 10, then point 13, point 11, point 15, point 26, etc. So thus we have created this first table. So similar procedure is for customer tables and order tables. So here we are created customers table again, then order table. So in order table, in third column we have date actually. So o date is a date. So for that in this format we have to write date, that is ONT, onum int. So first is integer, then amt int, so this is second column. Now odate date, so this is dates column, and this is format for date, that is first should be year, then that date, and then sorry, second should be month, then slash that date. Now sinum int, so this is also integer, and snum int, this is also integer. So this is table number 3. So here we have created all the tables in MySQL. So if we want to look at that table, that is first table, which is salespeople, so we will give command describe salespeople, then semicolon, and then press enter. So we will get this type of output, C1 int. So this was table first. So these are tables, actually show tables, salespeople table. Now describe salespeople table. So here we are getting the output of salespeople table. So salespeople table contained 4 columns. First was snum, then sname, city, and com. So snum, sname, city, and com. These are 4 columns in salespeople table. Then if we give command describe salespeople, or describe another table, that is so these are 3 tables. So first is described now, second is customer, and third is order. So this is customer table. If we describe customer table, it will give output like this: cnum, cname, city, rating, snum. So in this table it was cnum, cname, city, rating, snum in the customer table we had. Now if we give command for checking that third table, that was orders table, so here we are giving command. So here we are giving command, that is describe describe order table. So we will get output. So this was third table, that was order table. So here we are giving command orders. So here we are getting output, that is onum, amount, odate, cnum, snum. So here if we see onum, amount, odate, cnum, snum. So here we are getting that all the tables are entered and stored in our SQL, MySQL.